This is the Aurora Wallplate bracket. I'm Josh Smith with GuidingTheMobile.com, and I'm taking a look at an accessory for one of my favorite items, which is the Aurora switch. So you can check out our full review on this. This is a Friends of Hue product from Lutron, and you put this over a standard switch, and then you can push on it to turn your lights on and off, and then you can control them with a dimmer. And so the new part about this is the ability to put this on like a designer switch. And so this is a little $10 wall plate accessory, and it works kind of nice along with their Pico remotes from Lutron to get a little cleaner look. This is something I highly recommend if you have Hue lights and you also have other people in your house or guests, because they're going to be able to just control it like normal. And so the new wall plate just basically gives you a little nicer look, a little cleaner look. And right now this is a standalone accessory, but we'll probably see some kits. This is coming out in March timeframe. Be sure to check a video that I'll have at the end, which is our full review of the Lutron Aurora, which I really like, and you should definitely check out if you like Hue products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.